Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to buy a gift card on PayPal. So there is a step-by-step guide. Just open the PayPal app on your mobile device or the web. So make sure you will be just scroll down and these are the all gift cards. So these are the popular gift cards like Starbucks gift card, Apple gift card, which is most popular and common, and there is also DoorDash gift card, and there are many. So if I just tap for this Starbucks gift card, and if you just have to scroll, so there's a option of how much you want to buy gift card, like $10 to 50, and you will just also add a specific amount by the select of option other, and this is a gift. And if you want to just, this is for me, I want to just tap on it, and you are buying for yourself, will send the gift card to your PayPal email address. So just tap for add to cart, and you will just have to tap to check out. So your shopping cart is on be buy. So that's it. In this way you will just have to buy a gift card from PayPal. Thank you.